Greetings. If you're watching this, it's not by accident. You've been handpicked by an active member of Ayisyen Otantik, someone who sees in you a trusted, passionate leader for the Haitian cause. We know you're busy, so we'll keep this short and to the point, because Haiti's situation is worsening at an alarming rate, and time is running out. Many of us want to act, but most don't know where to begin. Some have turned to social media, only to be silenced by algorithms designed to control the narrative and suppress true mobilization. Here's the truth. We have the solutions. But these solutions cannot be exposed on social media or broadcast openly. Doing so would make us a target and compromise everything we are building. If we want real change, we must dismantle the corrupt system, starting with the political and private sectors. But to do that, we need a space of our own, a secured, private network built by us and for us. This is why Ayisyen Otantik was born, a movement where only trusted members can join strictly by invitation. A place where we control the conversation, the strategy, and the future of Haiti without interference. We have the plan, the strategy, and the resources, but we need you. Our goal? 1 million plus members in 30 days. This is not just another movement, this is a revolution. And it starts with you. To take the next step, contact the person who sent you this video. They will guide you through the process and explain how you can join this historic mission.